Hello guys, and this is Josh on Tech once again with another Android app review. Now today we'll be reviewing the Android Marketplace. Now you may be wondering why I'm reviewing the Marketplace instead of an app. Well, I figure where else are you going to get the apps that I review? So I figure you guys already know about it, but I will just show you guys that aren't familiar with it the ropes. Alright, let's go into the Android Market. Now the first thing that you will notice is the carousel at the top. You can just slide through all the apps that are popular. These are all popular apps up here. And then down here you'll have apps, games, and Verizon. Verizon will change between carriers like T-Mobile and AT&T. You have a little search icon up here. And the Marketplace, well, market up here, where if you go into another app or anything like that, you always hit that and you'll always bring you back to this screen. Down here you have featured apps. Okay, and now we'll go into apps right here. Now here you have all your categories of applications that you can get. And like I said, you can click up here and go back to this home screen. Here you can go to all applications. And then you have top paid, top free, and just in. Just in are apps that were just submitted to the App Store. If I can get it to work. There we go. Apps that were just submitted here. All these. Usually they're not too good. Some of them are. Then you have top free here, which I have a lot of those downloaded because I will be reviewing most of them. And top paid, which I don't have a lot downloaded on here yet, just because this is non-profit and I don't have a lot of money to spare. Okay, now next is games. Games, you have the same exact thing as apps. You have categories here, all games, same thing, top paid, top free, and just in. I have a lot of these downloaded as well for review. And last but not least, Verizon. Now this will change, like I said, and this could be T-Mobile, whatever their app store would look like, or whatnot. And then here you have some Verizon apps, and then you have other featured apps that Verizon features. Like here at My Verizon. My Verizon is a very good app. That Verizon Wireless made. It can track your minutes used. It can track your data usage. It can track your text message, all that, and make sure you don't go over. And if you go down here and hit the menu key, you have My Apps, Search, Settings, and Help. Now if you go to My Apps, it'll give you all the apps that you've downloaded. Okay, now if there's an update for your app, it'll be over here. It would say, instead of installed, it would say update. And then up here it would say update all if there's more than one to update. Alright. Of course, search is the same as that. You just search for an app. Like Pandora, we can search for. Just put a few letters in there and then it'll come up, and there's Pandora. I already have that installed. Okay. Then you have settings. Now settings is, the only thing that you have here is notify me. And all that does is tell you to, if you want to be notified of application updates, or if you don't want to be notified. Now there's a problem with this for some reason. I don't always get the updates. I have to go into the app and then go back out of the app. And then like 5 minutes later it'll say updates available. But if I don't go into the Marketplace at all, it won't tell me at all. So just a little note there to be worried about on this. And of course, help here. It takes you to the help website, I guess. I never hit help before. I just wanted to show you guys here. Yep, Android Market help here. They give you developers, users, help resources. And you can search up there for anything you might want that's not there. Alright, well, that is the Android Marketplace. That is the Android Marketplace for the Android phones, and this is Josh on Tech, and I will see you guys in my next video.